So this video gives us a couple of troubleshooting pieces in case I'm kind of clicking in the wrong place or I'm trying to find something. So if you're trying to find a specific place or specific city, the best place to do it is up here in the search bar. So let's say I want to go to Ticonderoga in New York. I type in Ticonderoga, click on New York, and it's going to drop me in there immediately. If I want to zoom out a little bit so I can see it on the big map, go ahead and pull that out. And that kind of lets me know where Ticonderoga is. Now it puts the place marker in there automatically. This one's always kind of a pain to mess with, so I always kind of prefer to come through here and kind of just place my own marker. So if I come again, I can't click on this. Nothing happens as I click on it. That's because in order to do that, I have to come click back in here in my trip. So if I click in here, it opens that back up. But you'll notice, if I'm clicked on this one, again, it's not there. So click in here, click my marker, come drop it right here, and again, I can start putting my description pieces. Okay. If I want to add video, let's say I want to add a video about Fort Ticonderoga, I mean, that would be awesome. Kind of gives you a unique piece to your video, kind of something fun. So I want to do that. Again, I'm going to kind of do the same thing as when I add a photo. So I'm going to click this button, add image or photo. And let's say I want a video from YouTube. I can click in here, type in Fort Ticonderoga, and it'll give me a whole list of different videos. Make sure you watch your video first before you just add it in here. But let's say I want this video. I can go ahead and click it, select it, and it'll load that video in here for me. And then as I'm going through your project, or as somebody else is going through your project, you can click on this video, and it'll play it for you. Gives you kind of a new insight,
Following
a new piece of
Lexington
information
and Concord
about this location. Kind of makes it fun, interesting, and unique. If you want to delete things, very simple. Let's say I don't want to stop here in Kansas City anymore. I can just click on here, and then click this delete button. That'll immediately delete it for me. The other way is to come over here and click this button. I lied, that's down here, sorry. It's only for your map, so if you want to delete these pieces, you have to click this delete feature. So click on it, and then click delete. Now let's say I want to get rid of a piece of my map, okay? I have to come down here to where my directions, my map pieces are, and I have to click that X button, and that'll remove it, okay? Again, if I want to add that destination back in, I just click add destination, type in Columbus, Ohio, adds it back in there for me. And then I'm ready to move. Again, make sure you give some different colors to each of your stops. Go ahead and add information in there. Be sure to include miles and time that you travel between each place. But make it fun, make it unique. Go visit different places. The only requirement that you have is that you have to visit a place that is related to those reports that you're writing. So if I'm writing a report about the Boston Massacre, I'm going to go ahead and probably go visit Boston. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and go visit Boston. So I'm going to want to make sure that I go ahead, drop a marker in here, visit Boston, describe what I'm doing in Boston, kind of my experiences of what's happening.